Hey everyone, welcome back to Gastromania. Today we are going to be presenting a classic dish, Hainanese Pork Chops. This dish is from the Hainanese dialect group, and this dish evolved from the Hainanese people who settled down in Singapore and Malaysia in the early days. This dish is equally enjoyable with or without the sauce depending on your preference. Without further ado, let's get right into this recipe. First, we have to prepare the pork chops beforehand. Tenderize the pork chops using a meat hammer. In total, we are using about 300 grams of pork chops. Next, we season the pork chops. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Half teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 fresh egg, mix the seasonings well. Then, add 1 teaspoon cornstarch to make the meat more moist. Mix everything evenly. Use a cling wrap and seal the mixing bowl. Then, store it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Next, the other ingredients will include 60 grams of green peas, 1 yellow onion, 2 tomatoes, and an extremely important ingredient, 3 packets of butter crackers or cream crackers. The brand doesn't really matter. Slice the yellow onions thinly. Then, cut the tomatoes into wedges. Put the butter crackers into a plastic or Ziploc bag. First, break them up by hand. Then, use a hard object such as a rolling pin to grind it finely. Coat the pork chops by hand. Make sure to press hard so that the biscuit sticks onto the pork chops. And with that, let's get cooking. Add some oil into a hot wok. Fry the pork chops at medium heat. Make sure to flip them after 1 minute. Remove it when it starts turning yellow. Double fry at high heat for about 1 minute afterwards. Cut the pork chops into thick strips after it cools down. Clean the wok and then start to prepare the sauce. Fry the yellow onions until it gets fragrant. Add the tomatoes and fry for 2 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons ketchup. One tablespoon white vinegar. Balance the acidity with some sugar. Remember to taste the sauce and adjust it according to your preference. If the mixture is too dry, add some water. Add green peas and boil it for 2 minutes. Then, pour the sauce over the sliced pork chops. And this dish is ready to be served. The pork chops are so crispy and this sauce is extremely inviting with the sour notes. This dish makes a perfect one-dish meal. Try it today. The pork chops are equally yummy without the sauce too. And we have come to the end of this episode. If you enjoyed this recipe, consider subscribing to our channel and stay tuned to our weekly recipes. Hit the like button so that this video will spread to more like-minded people on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you get updated on our latest activity. And I'll catch you in my next video.